Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about finding that perfect product to elevate your beauty routine. Tonight, we're diving into a luxurious overnight treatment that promises to restore and nourish, the Oribe Gold Lust Restorative Night Cream. This hair cream is designed for all hair types, but especially beneficial for dry, damaged, and normal hair. It claims to work wonders as you sleep. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's take a closer look at whether this product lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Oribe Gold Lust Restorative Night Cream isn't your typical overnight treatment. The star of the show here is the Biomimetic Repair Technology, which mimics your hair's natural nocturnal rejuvenation process. Essentially, it resurfaces the cuticle, helping repair the hair's damaged layers while you're in dreamland. Pretty clever, right? Then there are the Lupine Flower Peptides. These tiny powerhouses infuse essential amino acids into your hair's cortex. Basically, they help restore and strengthen hair from within. And let's not forget the Overnight Replenishing Blend, which works to deeply moisturize the hair, sealing split ends and protecting your strands from future damage. Now let's get into how this cream actually performs. I've been using it nightly for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, the application is smooth and it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy. It has a rich, creamy texture that feels indulgent without weighing the hair down. The scent, Côte d'Azur and eucalyptus, is absolutely divine. It's refreshing and calming, making it a perfect addition to your nighttime routine. What I found most impressive was how my hair felt in the morning. After using this cream consistently, I noticed my hair was much softer, smoother, and visibly shinier. The dry ends were definitely more manageable, and I could tell that my hair was looking healthier overall. For someone with naturally dry hair, this was a significant improvement. However, I will say that if you're someone with very fine hair, you might want to use a smaller amount to avoid feeling too weighed down. In terms of pros and cons, here's what I came up with. Pros: luxurious, non-greasy texture that absorbs well without leaving a residue. Moisturizing power that targets dry, damaged ends and prevents further breakage. The Biomimetic Repair Technology is truly innovative and helps in rebuilding hair health from within. The scent is heavenly and doesn't overwhelm the senses. Great for all hair types, especially dry and damaged strands. Cons: price point, this is definitely on the higher end. While it delivers impressive results, it may not be within everyone's budget. The product size, 5 oz, might not last as long as you'd expect for a nightly treatment. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price, this is definitely a splurge. However, considering the high-end formulation, the quality of ingredients, and the noticeable improvements it makes to the hair, it may be worth the investment for those who really need to restore damaged strands or those looking for a premium hair care product. If you're willing to spend a little extra for a luxe treatment, it's worth considering. But if you're on a budget, there are certainly more affordable options that can provide similar results with fewer fancy ingredients. When compared to other overnight hair treatments, Oribe stands out in terms of the complexity of its formula, especially the Biomimetic Repair Technology. While there are great alternatives at lower price points, the level of innovation in this product may justify the price for some. However, for those seeking more budget-friendly options, something like the Moroccan oil treatment or Olaplex No. 3 could give you similar benefits, especially if you're mainly looking for moisture and repair. In terms of build quality, the product comes in a sleek, elegant jar that feels luxurious, though it might not be the most travel-friendly. As for longevity, it's too early to say how well the benefits will last over time, but after a couple of weeks of use, I can confidently say it's made a noticeable difference in the appearance and texture of my hair. As for customer service, I haven't had any personal interaction with Oribe's support team, but they have a solid reputation for responsive customer service, and their products generally receive positive reviews across the board. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable, Olaplex No. 3 would be a great alternative. It doesn't come with the same luxurious feel, but it's a well-loved product that also repairs damaged hair, and it's a bit more budget-friendly. To wrap it up, The Oribe Gold Lust Restorative Night Cream is a fantastic product for those who are serious about hair restoration and willing to invest in high-quality hair care. It delivers on its promises, especially if you struggle with dry, damaged hair. That said, its price tag might be a deal breaker for some, and there are alternatives out there if you're looking for something more affordable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.